Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel IBOL Designing Developer. We have done many of the tutorials and many of the part of JavaScript tutorial, and I hope you all enjoy all the part which we have covered yet using many different languages and many other stuff which we have done yet. So today also we are doing another part of this, and this video will be also really helpful like previous one was, and this video will be just of another part, and in this video you will be learning many of the things here. Like previously we have covered up how to use many different tags. We have just built math operator shorthand, and in which we have just built a calculator project. So today we are also building a project. In this, you can say in this project we will be building an amazing thing, and this video will be really helpful. And in this video we will be seeing how to logging into the console using JavaScript, and you will be learning things from this video, because here in this video also we will be building a project using JavaScript, and we will be also using logging into console tags to logging in our login page. So this video will be helpful. We will be building an amazing login page in this project. So it will be containing many of the important things. Remember to see this video and like this video, and if you are new on the channel, hit subscribe button. After subscribing, hit notification bell, and also share this video so more people can learn. So now we'll be starting with our video and seeing how to logging into the console using these all tags. So today we are building this amazing login page here, and we will be using logging to the console tag of JavaScript to build this amazing login page. And like I've told you, we will be building all the JavaScript part video which should be project based. So this is our project here of the JavaScript. Other part of the video here we are building this login page, and we will be using logging to the console tag to build this amazing login page through JavaScript. And this video will be also really helpful. You can see we are containing many of the things in that. Here we are just getting the hover effect, and then we are getting the logo of email. At the right you can see enter your email placeholder. Down also we are containing same things. On the logos we are getting the hover effect, and then we are getting placeholder of enter your password. Remember me checkbox which is having the tick, and you can also just do it empty. Then after this we are getting forgot password, means if you have forgotten your password you can press, and then you can just write your password, and then you can write your new password, write your email, and then it will be showing, then it will be just giving you the option to just change your password, and you can change your password of your, if you want to do. Then we are getting login button which is also having a lightish hover effect. On this you can see beautiful hover effect. At the back we are getting a bluish background which is looking awesome. Then we are getting border radius on our login page. You can see it is also looking good. So this is our login page here which we are building. So now we'll be starting with our video and seeing how to build this amazing login page using logging to the console tag through JavaScript. So just like I've told you, we'll be just building an amazing project using JavaScript, and our project will be about logging to the console using JavaScript. So now we'll be starting with our project and seeing how to do logging to the console project using JavaScript. So for doing this project here, I'll be opening my Sublime Text Editor, and you can see it has been opened. Now when you've opened this, here I will be closing the previous Sublime Text Editor, and here I will be now just doing one thing. I will be opening my folder of the project which I have already worked with. So this is my project of the folder here. Now when you've opened this folder, you have to just do one thing. You have to move in the main file. Here I will be now just doing one thing. I will be copying the main codes of this file, close this file. Then you have to now delete this file. So here I will be deleting this. Then I will be making a new file in this, and here when you written this, here I will be giving it the name as index.html, and then here I will be saving it on my location where I have worked with my folder, and you can see there it is. Save this. Now here you have to now I will be showing you our work which we have just do here. So now here I will be doing all the things repeated. So now when you've just done that, here I will be now showing you the thing which we have built here. So I'll be moving in this and pasting the thing here. Now here when you've done that, I will be now moving in this tag. Then after moving here, I will be closing this body tag which you have created, and now here you have to move down and save this. So here I will be now opening it in my default Google Chrome browser to check it is working or not. So here it is. Then here if I open, you can see it is totally empty. So here I will be now doing it side by side like this. So you can see we have just done that. Now you have to do it side by side. Now just I will be doing one thing. I'll be now just taking this panel small. Now we are just getting this body tag here. Now when you are getting this, you can see we are just getting a background color which is looking awesome. So here you have to now write a tag which should be like div. So here I will be now just writing a tag which should be like div class container like this. Now you have to move down and then write here div class forms like this. Here I will be now writing. Now you have to move down, right here div, then here I will be now writing class which should be form login. Move down, right here div, then here you have to write class. In class I will be now writing title. Here I will be writing login. Save this. Then if I reload, you can see we are getting these all things here. Now we have to style this login page so we can just get it fully completed. So here I'll be now writing form, then right here action is equals to like this. Then here you have to now just write this hashtag in this. Now you have to move down, right here div class, then here I will be writing input, and then here I'll be writing input field. Move down and then I will be writing input like this. Then here I will be writing type text placeholder. Here I will be writing, and in placeholder I will be now just writing enter your email. Then here you have to now write required. Here erase this name which is written, and then here when you've written this you have to write I tag, control Z I like this. Now you have to write here class which should be like UIL dash envelope. Then here I will be writing icon. Now when you've written this, here I will be moving down, then right here div class, and here I will be writing input field. Then here I will be writing input, and then when you've written this input tag, in this type I will be writing password class. Then here I will be writing password, then I will be writing placeholder is equals to, then here I will be writing enter your password, then I will be writing required. Then when you've written this, here I will be closing this, and here you can see we have just done that. Now when you've written this, I'll be moving down, right here I tag. But before writing this, here I'll be saving and showing you. You can see we are getting two placeholder. In one we are getting password, and in one we are getting email. So here we are getting this I tag, so we can get this icon. You can see this is the email icon. Now here we will be getting the password icon when we will be writing this I tag. Now in this I tag, here I will be writing UIL dash lock icon. Now here you have to move down, right here I class, then here I will be writing UIL dash I slash, then here I will be writing show hide pw like this. Now you have to move down, right here div class, then here I will be writing checkbox dash text. Then here I will be now moving down, right here div class, then in class I will be writing checkbox dash content. Now here you have to move down, right here input. Then when you've written this, here I will be now writing input. In input I will be writing type checkbox, then here I will be writing ID lock check. Now when you've written this, here I will be raising this name from here. Then when you've written this, I will be writing label for, and then here I will be writing lock check. Now we have written this, so here I will be writing class text. So here you have to now write class which should be text. Now here I will be showing you by reloading. So you can see now we are just getting the password here icon, and then we are getting this I icon. Then now we are getting the checkbox here. We have to style this checkbox now. So when you are getting this checkbox here you have to just do one thing. You have to now move in this label tag and write here remember me like this. You can write it in capital or small. Save, reload. We are getting the remember me checkbox here. Now when you are getting this, you have to move down a tag, so not this one, this a tag. Now hashtag in this, in which I will be now writing class text. Then here you have to write forgot password. Then when you've written this, save this, then reload. So here you can see we are getting forgot password menu. Now we will get a button here. So now I will be moving down after this div tag, then right here div, and here I will be writing class which should be input. So here I will be now writing input field button. Then you have to move down, right here input type button. Then here I will be writing value which should be login. Then when you've written this, here I will be moving and erasing this thing. Then you have to just move down after this, right here div class, and in class I will be writing login sign up. Then right here span class text. Then here I will be now writing not a member, and here when you've written this, I will be moving down after this tag. And then when you've written this, here I will be now just writing a tag, a tag. Then here I will be writing class which should be text. Then I will be writing sign up, and then when you written this, here I will be writing sign up link like this. Now you have to just do one thing. I'll be writing sign up now. Now when you've written this, here I'll be moving under this div class, but before that save this and reload. So you can see now we are getting all these things here. Remember me button, forgot password menu, login button, and sign up, these things. Now I will be moving down here, and then here you have to just create all the other stuff also. Now here I will be saving this, then reload. So all the things is perfect, and this is our login page here which we have built, and you can see this is just looking awesome. So like this you can build your own amazing login page using the project which we have built, and we are using the JavaScript things to build this amazing login page we have built. And we have just used the thing of JavaScript which was logging into the console, and we have just used the logging to the console tag of JavaScript to build this amazing login page. So this was our project based project which we have built of login page using logging to the console in JavaScript. And I hope you enjoy this all thing, and if you have understand, enjoy this, so hit a like to this video. And if you're new on the channel, want to see more videos like that, so hit the subscribe button and share this video so more people can learn and they can also take benefit of these amazing things like you are taking. And I hope you will enjoy these all amazing tutorials which I'll be uploading in future. That should be really helpful for you. So now I'll be meeting you in next project with more amazing tutorial and more amazing things. So for today, goodbye.